Okay, Andy. Good morning, everyone. So this is the notes I pasted yesterday. Two classes, 5th and 7th, I pasted. How many of you installed your Tomcat and raise your hands? Very good, maximum. Right. Can I go forward for today's class? Right. Today's class is Servlet API. As if like JDBC API, we are having a Servlet API. JDBC API means java.sql. Root of java.sql is connection. From there, our practical started. So here also we are starting with Servlet API. Star mark IMP SERVLET Servlet API. So Servlet API. Right. Here, one interface, one package, Java X.Servlet, one package, Java X.Servlet.HTTP also there. But we'll highlight the first one, outer package we highlight, that is Servlet. So simply Java X.Servlet, Servlet package is known as Servlet API. Java X.Servlet package is known as Servlet API, and which provide classes and interfaces used in constructing servlet programs, means server programs. Java X.Servlet package is known as Servlet API, and which provide classes and interfaces used in constructing servlet programs. So whenever you are thinking about JDBC, Java.SQL.connection is the root of JDBC API, I said. From that connection only three methods majorly: create statement, prepare call. From there, three objects came: statement object, prepared statement object, callable statement object. From there only you are doing the work. That's called root. So here also one root will be there. Okay, right. Make it. Java X dot servlet dot S capital SERVLET servlet. This servlet is package. This servlet is interface. Java X dot servlet interface. Interface is the root of servlet API. Java X dot servlet interface is the root of servlet API. Root of servlet API. See there. From the library here, Java P, Java X dot servlet dot SERVLET servlet. One interface. Can you see one interface here? This is one interface. This interface is having 5 abstract methods. Abstract. Can you see? Interface will hold abstract methods, no? Of course, Java 8 interface will hold concrete. That's a different issue. But abstract methods. How many abstract methods are there now? 5 abstract methods. All of you know interfaces now? No, also yes only now. Because I know all knows interfaces. So working with one interface is a servlet programming. That's all. Only one interface, that is servlet. Work with that is servlet. That only servlet programming. Only one interface. One interface became one chapter. That only servlet programming. So one interface. That interface name is servlet. Yes, capital concept, right? Now, the following are the methods from servlet interface. We are writing the method names. Because for interview purpose, you must know the method names also for interview purpose, right? The statement here. The following are the methods of SERVLET, S capital, servlet interface. The following are the methods of servlet interface. The following are the methods of servlet interface. INIT service destroy. INIT service destroy. Everybody can remember these 3 methods, right? All of you should by heart these 3 methods now. INIT service destroy. Already you said it, Tata bye bye to main method. No, main method not there. Ended. So main method will not come now. Over. The journey is over. From now, these 3 methods you have to remember it. INIT, service, and destroy, followed by two other methods to be remembered. The two other methods is get servlet config. Get servlet config. Get servlet servlet config. Get servlet information. Get servlet information. Get servlet information. Get servlet information. So how many methods are available now? 5 methods. What are they? init, service, destroy. One is get servlet config. One is get servlet information. If you don't remember these two methods also, these three methods you have to remember it. Okay, right. Look here. Among these 5 methods, 3 methods are executed automatically. Among these 5 methods, 3 methods are executed automatically. First 3, init, service, and destroy. These 3 methods are known as life cycle methods. Life cycle methods means they execute automatically in the same order. init, service, destroy. init, service, destroy, same order. They call it as life cycle. Why life cycle means? For us, life cycle, child age, teenage, young age, middle age, old age. That's called life cycle. So suddenly teenage will not come. Suddenly old age will not come. They must come in the order only. So that 3 methods are life cycle methods. So they execute automatically in the same order. init, service, and destroy. Write that point here. init, service, and destroy. Destroy methods are destroy methods are known as life cycle methods and executed automatically in same order. init, service, and destroy methods are known as life cycle methods and executed automatically in same order. These 3 methods are executed automatically in same order. So theory. Right. And these 5 methods are abstract methods only. These 5 methods are abstract methods. You can see here. init method, abstract. Service method, abstract. Destroy method, abstract. Get servlet information, abstract. Get servlet config, abstract. They are all abstract methods. Right? Okay. Now the statement is the following are the method signatures. I'm copying that method signature in the notes. Okay, right. The following are the method signatures. The following are the method signatures. The following are the method signatures. This is IN90 method signature. Service method. Method signature. I'm keeping in order to be remembered. Destroy method. Like this. So these are the method signatures. If possible, draw one box and keep it. Draw one box in your notes. Because the 5 method signatures to be remembered. So 1 minute, excuse me. Okay, Andy, sorry. So how many methods are available from the servlet now? 5 methods. How many abstract methods? 5 abstract methods you had, right? Look here. Now, sir, from the library, we are having one method. Anyway, sorry, we are having one interface like this. Sir, one interface is coming from the library. In core Java, we are doing one program, no, I-test1, I-test2, I-test3 demo programs. Now, in the place of I-test1, here one built-in interface is coming. That's no difference. One built-in interface is coming. The built-in interface name is nothing but servlet. S-E-R-V-L-E-T. Servlet, one interface is coming. Everybody clear? Why I am writing the elements? Match with your core Java knowledge. Nothing is there. Now I am writing one program by relating to core Java program. Nothing is there. The program I'll send into servlet. Sorry, I'll send into Tomcat. First, you are in the flavor of Java. Don't forget that we are all Java programmers. Don't forget it. So Java programmers means rules will come from core Java. Core Java rules will come. In core Java, one interface concept is there. We trained ourselves with interface demo programs. One interface, sir. The interface has one abstract method, sir. Interface do not have objects, sir. The interface is implemented to one class, sir. The class by terminology, we call it as implementation class, sir. The rule of implementation class is taking that abstract method and writing the body. That only, no? Kuch bhi nahi rehta isme. Right? Yes or no? Now, what is the rule now? Sir, if there more than one abstract method is there, if that interface is having more than one abstract method today, how many abstract methods now? 5 abstract method. What is the rule of implementation now? Sir, take that 5 abstract method and write the body. Understood? That's what I'm doing now. I'm doing the same thing. Core Java I'm doing. Okay, right. See there. Now, servlet I'm bringing from library. Okay, right. This library is having 5 methods. The library interface is having 5 methods. Repeatedly I'm typing. I'm making you to by heart that methods. In interface, every line is important, every word is important, every day is important. Because interface servlet linked to Spring and web service. Whatever the statement you are learning from me, that is important for the next one. That JDBC, when compared to servlet, least priority that is. Right? Servlet has extension to remaining 2 courses. One is Spring and one is web service. Their 5 methods are highlighted. Always write in the order init, service, destroy. These 3 methods you have to by heart it. If you don't by heart this also, no problem. Servlet config. If you don't by heart also, no problem. Get servlet information. No, sir, I'll by heart it means well and good. By heart it. So these 5 methods are available here. So now servlet is holding 5 methods. For demo purpose in your core Java, we will take only one method for the training. The other 5 methods. Understood now? Right. Now, I must take one implementation. The statement I'm making now. In the process of constructing servlet program, the user-defined class must be implemented from Java x.servlet interface. That only concept. Make it. Here, all of you written these 5 methods, I think. If the 5 methods are there, draw one box who are making a notes. If not, hope you are downloading notes, I think. If you are downloading a notes, draw one box there. Everybody should by heart these 5 methods. Now, here I am making a statement. In the process of constructing servlet program, the user defined class the user defined class must be implemented from in the process of constructing servlet program. The user defined class must be implemented from Java X dot servlet dot S capital servlet interface. Servlet interface. Got it, everyone? Right. See there. Here. One diagram I am pasting because that information I am pasting in the form of a diagram. Okay, right. See there. Now I need one implementation class. People are started chatting with each other. Right. Class means you must listen it first. Yes or no? After listening, actual process of class is first you have to listen what trainer says. After the class has been completed, you have to analyze it, what has been happened. Then the doubt will come. That is actual process. Without listening, you cannot interpret it. No, not possible. That is not process of learning actually. Important concept is going, the people are chatting with each other. Right, look here. Because I never see chat boxes because of that. Because the chat box do not have meaning today. Casual chatting will be going because we never see. Not only me, all trainers, they never see. At least at the ending, 1% of students will ask a question. Remaining all, they concentrate on WhatsApp groups, personal chat boxes. These people only will be there maximum. So 1 or 2% of students means among 100, maybe 5 or 4 students will be there. They'll get real doubts. They are affecting. Remaining 99% of person, they are sleeping, they are traveling, they are walking, they are doing shopping, something they'll be doing. Right? In that process, servlet will not come. Very danger. Servlet looks very easy, but creates much problem. You can understand. See there. Now the rule is the servlet interface I am linking here. This is one user defined class. User defined class means implementation class. So user defined class means program. I said no, program means class, class means program. According to object oriented programmer in Java, write a program means write a class. Servlet program means servlet program class. That's a concept. I am taking one user defined class, this one. The class name I only will decide. FIRST, first servlet. I will take a class name is what now? First servlet. The class is implementation class. By terminology, you can call it as implementation class. You can call it as implementation class. Now this one linked here. Understood or not now? So what is the link between interface to class and implements extends what keyword and implements? Yes or no? So your interface is implemented to one class. Whenever a class is implemented from interface, the implementation class has to, not as, must construct the body. Must means it is a rule. Must construct the body for abstract methods. That is a rule or not now? See there, I am writing the program. When you are writing a program now, already having Eclipse, no? I'll open Eclipse. Daily you're opening Eclipse, no? That JDBC Eclipse, that Eclipse only. So daily advanced Java, this workspace only, launch. 1 minute, it takes time. See there. Now, when you are writing a program, already you are using Eclipses from day one. We are practicing servlet programs with ID Eclipse only first. First, we have to understand what is happening. So first we are understanding and we are coding it. After complete understanding of servlet program, then we do manual work. So we deploy into versional web browser and we run it. Until then, we never run it. Okay, right? Like this. Yesterday, you installed your Tomcat server and check the Tomcat server is stopped or not. Check it. The Tomcat server is stopped or not. It is stopped, no? Right. Cross check it. Means stop the Tomcat server and keep it. Why, sir? Eclipse will start the Tomcat. Your Eclipse only will start the Tomcat. You don't start it. Just you yesterday checked whether my Tomcat is working or not. You checked. Duty is over. Just to keep the Tomcat off. Daily before running your program, cross check your Tomcat is stopped or not. If it is not stopped, stop it and keep it. Eclipse only will start it. Eclipse only will stop it. It only will do the work. You don't do it. Understood, right? Everybody cross check your Tomcat is working. That point is over. Now my Tomcat is stopped. So my Tomcat is stopped. I cross checked it. Now I am going for here. First I am writing the program, then I'll give the steps. Because my intention here is servlet program implemented to one user defined class. How I am writing the code, you must understand first. Right? For that I am writing the program. Now daily you are creating one Java project you are creating. Daily you are creating one Java project. In core Java also you are creating Java project. In JDBC also you are creating Java project. Yes or no? Today, from today onwards, don't create Java project. Over. From today, you are creating one project known as dynamic web project. From servlet program onwards, you are going to create one project known as dynamic web project. Nothing but web application. Java project journey ended. Java project will contain public static void main. Java project will be running under JVM environment. So the Java project journey ended. Don't create Java projects from today. Got it right? Don't bring that JDBC 6.jar. Don't bring it. That journey also ended. Don't bring it. That practice over. Don't bring that jar file now until I say you don't bring it. Okay, right? Now, here create one project known as dynamic web project. You are going to create it. See, daily you are clicking on file. So these all JDBC programs are Java projects only. So that JDBC applications ended. Don't touch them now. Don't work them. Don't touch them. Okay, right? Now go with click on file. I'll write the note steps again. Just watch it. Click on file. New. Here you can see project. You can click on project. Daily you are selecting Java here. I given a steps to you. Java. Under Java you had Java project. So today don't go with Java. Go with web. You can see one web here. Means you are constructing web project. You are constructing web application. So here one web is there. Click on this web. Here three options will be there. Dynamic web project, static web project, web fragment project. FAQ question that is. What is the difference between dynamic web project, static web project, web fragment project? One question is there for you in interview. Now we are not writing that question. We are creating dynamic web project. Somewhere in the middle, we are going to present that question to you, right? Okay. So under web, we are selecting Dynamic web project we are selecting. After selecting dynamic web project, click on next. Same as usual, give one name to me. What project you are creating? Project name. So here SERVLET, servlet application 1. I'm creating servlet application 1. Daily I written JDB's application 1. No, now I'm going with servlet application 1. I took one project name. Click on finish. Here that windows will not come. Daily one windows are coming. You're creating. Don't create. No, that windows will not come. Here servlet application 1 came. All of you clear about this point now, right? After this one now, there is one jar file related to servlet, not database. Related to servlet, one jar file is there. Sir, where is that jar file? Related to servlet, one jar file available in the Tomcat. Available in the Tomcat. The Tomcat is given like this. See there. In the Tomcat C drive, in Tomcat, you can see lib. In Tomcat, you can see lib. In this lib, you can find servlet API. Can you see here? This is JSP API. This is servlet API. Now you are working with servlet API, no? This servlet API you are going to attach to dynamic web project. Dynamic web project is attached with the servlet API. How you are attaching? Build path. Daily you are collecting OJDBC6, no? The same way today servlet API. See there? First time attaching what? Right click on this application. Right click on this application. Build path. Configure build path. Libraries. Of course, class. Can you see add externals? Daily you are doing no. Add external jars. Daily you are selecting from DB jar. Today you don't select it. Go with C drive. Tomcat folder. lib. Can you see this servlet API here? Can you see? Select it. Open. Here came C drive Tomcat lib servlet API. Apply. Apply and close. Now here in the references here, in the reference library, here servlet API came. Database jar, you don't bring it now. Don't bring it. Separate process is there. Now servlet API came. Now you have to construct the program. Whenever you want to construct the program, SRC. In SRC, you are creating one package no daily. SR no na. So in SRC here, can you see SRC here? SRC. Right click on SRC. New. Create one package. So always I am taking package name is test. Click on finish. Came now? Right. Under this test now, our program. We are creating class or not now? What is the class name you want to take now? Servlet. Sorry. First servlet. FIRST. First SERVLET. First servlet. Click on finish. Sir, our class came, sir. Understood this point or not now? So our class came. This is the class. Now, what is the rule now? Sir, this class must be implemented from servlet. Can I link it now? See that I'm linking. Now, this class, whenever I want to link it, import Java x.servlet. Java x.servlet. Here, import java.io also. So java.io related classes also participated. Java x.servlet related components also participated. Now here the class implements from SERVLET. Observe this point or not now? Right. Once the class is implemented from servlet. What is the rule now? Sir, the class has to construct the body for these 5 methods. It is asking the question now, where is the body? You have to construct it. All of you understood this? You have to construct it. Whenever you want to construct it, you must take that 5 abstract methods and construct the body. Understood this point? All right. Now, I am taking this 5 abstract methods. These are the 5 abstract methods I am taking. Copy these 5 abstract methods here. I copied these 5 abstract methods here. Five abstract methods. Body is needed, no? Here. Here, body. Here, body. Destroy. Here, body. Here, body. Here, body. Now, whenever you write a body, abstract keyword not needed. No need to write Java x dot servlet dot no need. You take one variable here, sc, you take it. So no need of abstract keyword when you're writing a body. No need of writing this package name here because you written the package name here now already. No need of writing there. Servlet request req. Take one variable there and take one variable here. Now, no need of writing. This only java.io I written there. This is servlet. Here, no need of writing abstract. Here, no need of abstract. No need of this servlet. No need of abstract and so on. I constructed the bodies or not now? Right. Observe this, everyone. Right. Now, these 2 methods are return type methods or non-return type methods are? Yes or no? All yes only from today. No, not there. Because core Java knowledge that is. Right? When the situation comes, you must apply. If you cannot apply, learning is a meaningless. No. When the situation comes, you must remember it. Sir, when the situation comes, I cannot remember means meaningless again. So that method is return type because void not there. Void not there. So return 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 some config. So this method I am writing for demo purpose. I am writing directly this dot get servlet config because I know the code. I am writing this roughly. SAR is returning some value. Return type method. String no, right? String return return. The servlet name is first servlet, first, first servlet. I am returning. Like this, they are having the bodies. Error gone, no? Yes or no? Error is gone, sir, there. Now, 5 methods, init method, service method, destroy method, and so on. All of you got this? Right. Now, in this program now, I must write something. Then only answer will come. Okay, right. Now, first method executed is init. In the life cycle method, first init method will come. I am putting some message here. So system dot out dot println initialization process. I kept one message. I am writing system dot out println. I am writing. I'll explain this why I written that. Here I am putting one message. So system dot out dot println request handling process. request handling process. Service method, no. Service means what? What is the definition of service? Accepting the request, giving the response, handling the request only, no? Right. Destroying means destroying only, nothing but closing the resources. Just I'll put a comment as system dot out dot println. This is destroying process. Destroying process. I'm right. Now, initialization process, request handling process, and destroying process. Everybody clear? Right. Now, this output will come on your console. Tomcat server one console will be there. In that console, output will come. Okay, right. See there. Now, every servlet program is identified by one URL pattern. Every servlet program will be identified by one URL pattern. So servlet programs will have URL patterns. URL pattern means developer will assign one name for that servlet program. For the servlet program, I am giving one name to you, not this name and URL pattern name I am giving now. See how I am handling means here import Java X dot servlet dot annotation. Here I am writing at the rate of web servlet web servlet. I am giving one URL pattern slash first first. Means the servlet program is identified by the URL pattern first. So at the rate of means annotation. In core Java, part of exception handling chapter, we write one or two annotation informations, we write it. No, sir, I not concentrated in core Java means need not worry. Now you will write that at the rate of web servlet. At the rate of web servlet is one annotation holding URL pattern to identify the servlet program. That's a concept. I'll give the notes to you. Now this is the program ready now. I must execute this program. Whenever I want to execute this program now, I must bring that server, I must execute it. I must bring the server, I must execute it. See there. I want to bring the server now, like this. Whenever I want to bring the server, in your IDE Eclipse here, down, you can see servers here. Can you see servers? Here, can you see servers? Here, servers. In these servers, we are going to add one Tomcat there. We are going to add the Tomcat server there. See, I am adding. Click on this link to create new server. And your server belongs to which company? Apache. And your server belongs to which version? 9. All of you understood this point? Right. Here, click on next. Where your server has been installed. My server installed in C drive, Tomcat. Select the folder. Click on finish. Now the server will be adding there. Wait for 2 minutes. The server is adding there. Down you can see green. Right. The server is, all of you understood this point now. Once the server is added, now this application, right click on this application, run as, run on server. Run on server here. Select this, click on finish. HTTP here. It has taken the path. It only taken HTTP followed by what now? Local host followed by what now? Port number. But the Tomcat is loaded with one application. What is the application now? Servlet app 1 loaded. But in that Servlet app 1, what I should execute means here information followed by FIRST. Your Servlet name is there or not now? What is the Servlet name now? First, run it. Now, initialization process, request handling process means methods are running or not now? Observe that point or not now? So INIT method executed automatically. First method executed now. What is the second method now? Request handling process executed. Third method destroy. So destroy not execute means you must cancel it. When you cancel it, sometimes you can see that in the console. Destroying. Here destroy not happened, directly closed. Actually destroying process means when the Tomcat server ended that application, destroying process. It is destroyed, but message not entered there. So finally our program is running. So from that program, I want one message, sir, here. Their message not coming. Sir, this is web browser, demo web browser. In the demo web browser, message not coming. Sir, put one message, sir. Welcome to Servlet program, you keep it. Sir, where I should write it means in service method, you must write it. In service method, you must write the message. All of you got this point now? Why in the service method? Service method only will give the response. See there? In the service method, open it. Sir, in the service method, we had response or not now here? Response. So for this, we are using one method like this. Print ln here. Welcome to SERVLET Servlet programming. Welcome to Servlet programming. But whenever you want to write that println, some process is there. 2-line process like this. I am bringing one new line. Print writer PW is equal to res dot get writer. I'll explain that. New line. Here res dot set content type. 2 new lines I am writing. Text or HTML. Using this PW, I will write it. That is PW dot println. That PW dot println method will display it. This is going to send a response now. So response onto web browser. Response onto web browser. PW.println. System.out.println means here output on console. Output on console. Console means that Tomcat server is running that console. Here the response onto web browser. Now the response will come to web browser. See there. Right click on this application again. Tomcat is stopped. Can you see here? Tomcat is stopped. Again, I am starting. Right click. Run on server. Click on finish. I'm starting the Tomcat again. I'm starting the Tomcat. I'm loading it out. You must call that Servlet program here. FIRST first. Enter. Came or not now? Welcome to Servlet program web browser. This is console. All of you observe this? Our program running now. Right. Now, this is the basic pattern. So how many methods are running automatically now? 3 methods. What are they? INIT, service, and destroy. 2 other methods will not run. The two other methods, we must only call it. We only should call them actually, but we never call them. Not needed, we never call them. So 3 methods are life cycle methods. So the output is coming onto web browser. Welcome to Servlet programming coming. This is web browser output. That is console output. So whenever you want to stop the Tomcat, here one red button is there. Can you see red button here? So click on it. The Tomcat will be stopped. Understood, right? Now I'll write the steps and it to you. Here the process is nothing but, sir, our user defined program implemented from servlet. Now this user defined program must construct body for all the abstract methods. Must construct the body for all the abstract methods. That's the point. So under this, we are pasting a diagram. So this diagram is pasted there. So we have to construct all the bodies. In the core Java, I'll draw a diagram like this. No, take all the methods, construct the bodies. Take all the bodies, all the method signatures and construct the body. The body. This diagram I'll paste there. Now I'll write it. Creating a dynamic web project using IDE Eclipse. I'll give the steps, follow the steps and run this program. That's the point. Okay, right. Now, once you make the program to run, tomorrow we'll give that HTML form. Now I not kept HTML form. Tomorrow I'll bring that HTML form. How to take the data from HTML form to servlet program I'll show. Just this program is making your program to run through Eclipse. That only practice. After the making that program run, what we have to do, I'm increasing that level and coming. So make it star mark IMP, creating dynamic web project. Dynamic web project. Nothing but web application. Web application using IDE Eclipse. Creating dynamic web project using IDE Eclipse. IDE Eclipse. Step 1. Open IDE Eclipse. While opening, name the workspace. Name the workspace and click LAUNCH, launch. Already know this step now already. Open IDE Eclipse. While opening, name the workspace and click launch. Step 2. Create dynamic web project. Create dynamic web project. Step 2. Create dynamic web project. Here, click on File, New Project. Under Project, you can find Web. Click on File, New Project. Under Project, you can find Web. Daily you are going for Java. Now you have to go with Web. See there, I'll cross check it. So click on File, New Project. Under Project, you can find Web. So select Dynamic Web Project here. Select Dynamic web project. Select dynamic web project and click next. Click next. If anybody cannot see that option web, means you not downloaded your Eclipse correctly. You have to download the Eclipse which supports web applications. You have to download it. You cannot find web option means that is SC Eclipse, not dynamic. Sorry, that is not enterprise application Eclipse. That is one SC Eclipse. You downloaded Eclipse wrongly. So you already I written that statement to you while downloading the Eclipse also. In Core Java, I'll write it. I think I cannot remember. So you must download which supports EE. So enterprise application Eclipse, you have to download it. Then only you can find this option web. Web option not there means go with another Eclipse download. No other choice. So click on file, new project, web, select dynamic web project and click next. After clicking on next here, name the project and click finish. Name the project and click finish. Name the project and click finish. So once the dynamic web project is ready, now add servlet API.jar file to dynamic web project. You have to add it. So add servlet servlet API.jar file to dynamic web project. You have to add it. Add servlet API.jar file to dynamic web project. For this, right click on dynamic web project. Means that web project name is there now and that name now like this. So right click on dynamic web project name, servlet application one, you have to right click it. After right clicking it, you can find a new, here build path. Right click on dynamic web project. Right click on dynamic web project, build path, configure build path, remaining nodes is same. Build path, configure BUILD, configure build path. Daily you are doing now the same process. Libraries. Under libraries now here, right click on it, build path, configure build path, libraries. If any option class path is there, select class path and click add external jars. If you find the class path here, select class path. If you find it, select class path and click add external jars. Add external jars. Got to click it. Add external jars. See there. After clicking on add external jars here, after clicking on this add external jars now, browse and select. Browse means search. Browse and select. Browse and select servlet servlet API.jar file from lib lib of Tomcat. Browse and select servlet API.jar file from lib of Tomcat. Browse and select. Browse means search and select that. Click on it. So browse C drive, program files, lib, browse and select. Let's call browse and select. Here open is there. Open. Here apply. Next apply and close. Automatically the jar file is added to dynamic web project. Don't add OJDBC6. Don't add it. It takes 2 days time to add it. So tomorrow you must learn one more concept. Reading the data from HTML form. After that only database interaction will come. First you have to, today we are not collecting the data from HTML. Just we are running the program and checking whether it is running or not. Today, just you have to run the one program and come. Answer is welcome to servlet program running on web browser, not versional web browser, demo web browser. And in the console, 2 messages. Servlet initialized, servlet request, 2 messages. Now that is running or not, you have to cross check it. After that, remaining process will be started. Now, sir, jar file is ready. Next what, sir? Remaining process is common. Create package. Create package in SRC. Create package in SRC. You know this, no? SR no na. You know this already. Daily you are creating package. So in your Eclipse, you can see the option like this. Here you can see here SRC or main or Java. You can see the option. So just right click and you know that. Right click and you know that already. Create one package there. So always I'm creating test. You can take any one package. Sir, after package creation now, step 5. Create servlet program. Create servlet program. Servlet program means class only, no? Program means class. So create servlet program. Right click on package, new class, name the class and click finish. Daily you are doing this. Right click on package, new class, name the class and click finish. Name the class and click finish. Right. I created one class now here. This is the class now. Right. After creating class now, write the following program. You type the program as it is. Whatever the program I'm giving now, you write the program. So step 6. Write the following program. Write the following program. I am copying that program there. In these notes, I am copying here. Write the following program. So in the notes, I am copying there. Anyway, write the following. Same as it is, you type it. As it is, you type it. Okay, right. Just you type first program. Write the program. After writing the program now the program is ready. Now, attach means add Tomcat server to IDE Eclipse. You have to add the Tomcat. First time you have to add it. Tomorrow onwards, no need to add, because once you add it, daily you are going to run it. One time only we are going to add it. So for the first program, add it and run it. Tomorrow onwards, automatically it is available there. It runs. Okay, right. See there. Now, after writing this program anyway, so after typing this program, close it. So add your server. After writing this program, step 7. Step 7. Add Tomcat server to IDE Eclipse. Add Tomcat server to IDE Eclipse. Add Tomcat server to IDE Eclipse. Now, click on servers. Here, click on servers, this one. Servers. Here, click to add a new server. One option will be there, right? Click to add new server. Click to add new server. Right? Okay. After clicking, click to add a new server here. Under servers, click to add new servers. One blue link will be there. You can click it first time, right? After that, browse, nothing but select Tomcat server. Their options will be there, Apache and any other servers are there in your system. They'll be shown there, right? Select Tomcat server. Click on next. Click on next. Click on servers. Click to add a new server. Select Tomcat server. Click on next. After selecting, click on next. Don't touch anything. Just Apache name will be there. Click it. Under that, versions will be there. Which Tomcat server you downloaded yesterday, 9 or 10. You select that. Click on next. After clicking on it, it will ask and browse the folder, means destination folder. So where it is available, you show to me. Okay, right. Now, browse and select. Browse and select. Browse and select Tomcat installation. Browse and select Tomcat installation folder. That folder is available in C drive now. You browse and select that Tomcat installation folder. Finish. And click finish. Browse and select the Tomcat installation folder. Go to C drive, Tomcat 9, you select it. Click on that select folder, come back, add that automatically, click on next. That options you can see directly. Because I done it now, I cannot see that option now. So you can see that anyway. Click on servers. So click to add a new server, select Tomcat server, click on next. You can see the folder should be selected. Browse and select that folder. Click on that next automatically. It will be added. Then click on finish. The Tomcat server will be added. You can see that Tomcat server added. It looks stopped here. Always the Tomcat server look stopped there. Whenever you deploy the application, it starts. Unless it will not be started. Now you have to deploy the application now. Write it. Now after adding this Tomcat server here, step 8. Deploy the application onto server. Deploy the application onto server. Deploy the application onto server. So whenever you want to deploy the application onto server, you must not deploy the program. And many people do one mistake now. Right click on servlet program, run as they'll do. Don't deploy the servlet program. You have to deploy the application. Don't deploy the servlet code. Application. So right click on dynamic web project. Right click on dynamic web project here. Make it very clearly. Right click on dynamic web project. Right click on dynamic web project. Right click on dynamic web project. Like this. Right click on dynamic web project. Here, run as run on server. Run as run on server option will be there. Run as run on server option is there. You have to click it. Run as run on server. Whenever you click on this run as run on server, it shows the option to you. Right click, run as run on side shows the option, which server. So only one server will be there. So select, click finish. Only one server is there. Select and click finish. So select Tomcat server in the option and click finish. Click finish. So automatically answer will not come for you. So it takes up to here only. It takes up to here. Up to here it takes. Right? After taking up to here, you only should type manually first and enter it. Then the answer will come. So this is execution URL. Execution URL, this one. It will be deployed up to here only. So you only should type first, then the answer will come. This is execution URL. So answer is coming or not, you have to cross check it. Then stop the Tomcat and keep it. And tomorrow give the feedback, the program executed or not. So from there, we increase the levels and come. That's the basic process. Here, what is the information in this URL? In this URL, the information is HTTP is what now? One protocol, connection protocol indirectly. Hypertext transfer protocol. This is one protocol. Network connection protocol. Local host means what now? Location of server. Location of server. Now 8082 is what now? Port number. Server port number. Server port number, that is. Now this servlet app one is what now? Web application name, that is. Nothing but dynamic web project name. That is one web application name. Web application name, that is. What is first now? In that web application, you are executing which servlet program? Means servlet URL. Unified resource location of servlet. So servlet URL, that is. Identifying the servlet. Servlet URL. So draw this one and keep it. These are the informations there. tomorrow I'll explain that. What is that print writer? What is that set content type? How the answer came? We are going to decode it. Okay, right. So what is today's target now? Sir, yesterday my Tomcat server is ready. It is responding to web browser. I cross-checked. So keep that Tomcat server stopped. Don't on it. Then go to one Eclipse and write the program. Understood now? So add that server and run it and make that program to run and come by tomorrow. And tomorrow, what we are going to do means next two other servlets will come. Generic servlet, HTTP servlet tomorrow. Then remaining methods will be entering by tomorrow. And tomorrow, the second application is coming. How to read the data from HTML form. How many of you knows HTML? Raise your hands. How many of you don't know HTML? If you don't know HTML also, no problem tomorrow. Because I only will write HTML. Right? So I said no. We are database dependent, independent. UI independent also we are all. So tomorrow is a crucial class. Who don't know HTML? I only will write one small HTML form. The same form you are repeating and coming, answers will come. Right. So take a break for today. Execute this program and come. Thank you very much for today.
Servlet in two types. That is small letter servlet is interface.